Hello and welcome to today's video. It has been a while. I think I actually skipped last month if memory serves me correct, but we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box along with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. We're going to put these two head to head, see which one is the clear winner for October. I honestly have no clue what is in either of these boxes. In fact, I swear I thought I canceled my base Boxycharm box. I really didn't feel like I had the need for it anymore. I was really getting enough in premium, but nonetheless, this showed up on my doorstep yesterday and this showed up at the same time, which is really odd. So here we are. I figured, perfect moment. Let's film an Ipsy and Boxycharm unboxing. We're gonna actually start with Ipsy. I do have one thing that I wanna comment on. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus has been a favorite of mine. I just really enjoy the amount of product that I get inside, and I absolutely love that I get to choose 3 of the 5 products that I receive. My only beef is that ever since I started doing that, we've been getting these bags, like these little drawstring bags, instead of the typical like Ipsy makeup bag, and I love getting those. They have had some really cute ones, and unless you subscribe to the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Ultimate, you're not going to get one. You're going to end up getting one of these little drawstring bags, and I love the theme of this. I just don't know what else I would ever use a drawstring bag like this for. Me, maybe I could put like hair products, like scrunchies in it or something like that, but just kind of bummed. I was really amped on getting the actual bag that featured this. Let's go ahead and see what I got on the inside. So this month's theme for Ipsy is Your Magic. So obviously there's a little card on the inside, just goes into some things. Obviously I'm not going to read this and go into all of that. So the first thing I see here is a Lovecraft Beauty eyeshadow palette. Looks like there are 6 shades on the inside. All the shades are listed on the back here. I like this packaging. This is super cute, and I think it kind of goes hand in hand with the theme of this month. The inside palette looks exactly the same as the outer packaging does. And again, on the back, we've got all of the shade names. I believe that this is something that everybody got in their Glam Bag Plus. I could be wrong, but let me know if you also got this palette. And these shades are absolutely beautiful on the inside. This is a really cute, compact little palette. We've got a nice mirror, and why not? Since we've only got 6 shades, let's go ahead and swatch these and see what we're working with. So this is the first row. I'll just show you how they finger swatch. So there's the first shade. That is gorgeous. It's like a sunburst orangey yellow. Then we have this dark brown matte, kind of got that fluffed everywhere. And then we have like this satin shade, very pretty. And let's do the bottom row. I'm really digging that kind of lime greenish, goldish shade. They're matte. That one's not as impressive, but they feel really nice. I think that this is kind of, ooh, yeah, that's right up my alley. This is a really unique lineup of neutral shades. This is definitely a very unique, different take on some neutrals, and I'm here for it. I really don't have any shades like this in a palette in my collection. We've got cooler, warmer tones, and we've got these beautiful, unique pops of color. I love that it's not like a blue shade or like a really, dense royal purple. I like to see that we've got like an orangey yellow sunburst shade and this green shade right here. I think that's beautiful. Very smart, beautiful collection of shades. I can't wait to get my hands on this and really try it out and see how I like it. Lovecraft Beauty, you did a really good job, and I think it was a very smart curation of colors with really just 6 pans. You can create so many different looks with that. That is beautiful. Let's go ahead and dig into the grab bag here and see what else we've got. From Araceli, we have an Ojos, I hope I'm saying that correctly, Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner Duo with Sharpener. I actually got some of their liquid liners in one of my Ipsy bags before, and I loved those. There was a brown shade, and I was obsessed. I actually used it all up. I absolutely loved it. And this is really cool that you get a sharpener in here. I love that. I could always use a sharpener. So here are the 2 shades. We have cinnamon, and then we have chocolate. So one's like more of like a matte and one's more of like a metallic. So we can go ahead and swatch these. I love a good matte brown liner. Ooh, that is just buttery, buttery smooth. Beautiful formula. And let's go ahead and try the metallic. Same thing. Wow. Beautiful, you guys. This is gonna look gorgeous with that palette that I just swatched. These are stunning. I'm really happy about this. I love brown liners. I feel like brown liners are so underrated. Honestly, most of the time, I even prefer brown over black. I think it's just more of like a more soft, more romantic look. And these look gorgeous. And if they perform anything like the liquid liner that I tried before, I'm really excited to say the least. Let's go ahead and grab the next product we have from Dr. Lip. This is the Superfood Tints. I think this is one that was part of my choice. Like I said, I don't remember, but this one says it has only 5 100% natural ingredients. Multi-use skincare where you apply it is your business. So I'm assuming that you can use these as cheek and lip tints. And these shades in here are really pretty, gorgeous. I'm totally into this berry tone that could be beautiful for fall. This could be a beautiful blush. It's more of a corally tone. And then this pink one in the center would be just perfect for like an everyday lip balm. That is stunning. And I like products like this too because they're multi-use and you can get a beautiful monochromatic look. I don't really pick up on any scent. So this one says it has a red radish pigment. This one is a sweet potato pigment. And then this one here says elderberry. This is really cute. I am into this. So it's like superfood, antioxidants, flavor, and fragrance free. That is really awesome. I cannot wait to try these out. I'm glad I picked this. I really didn't even look into it much. I just thought, oh, those look cute, and then went with that. I wasn't really super impressed with the choices, to be honest, but I'm happy with all 3 items that I got so far. Oh, and we have another eyeshadow palette. So this is from Violet Voss. This is their Creme Brulee palette. Wow, this is sealed up to the 9s. That is quite a sticker. I think this is like the 3rd Violet Voss palette that I've gotten. The other 2 that I've received before, wasn't too excited about the color story, but I believe that this is going to be much more neutral, which is way more up my alley. Yes, this is a gorgeous collection of shades. Again, another nice take on neutrals. So it does show you all of the shades on the back of the packaging as well. But this is a cute little palette right here. These are really pretty shades, mostly metallics. I think there's only, oh, actually, wait. There's actually 4 mattes in here, and they're exactly the mattes that you would need. So you got like this darker shade, this orange shade, a little bit more of like a deep brown orange, and then this more cream transition shade right here. You could also use this as a highlighting shade. That's really all you would need. A multitude of skin tones can use this. This is actually perfect. I'm gonna swatch a couple of the metallic shades, and then we'll swatch a couple of the mattes as well. So that's what they look like. Some finger swatches for you. Very pretty. Ooh, that color's gorgeous, like a duochrome. It's almost like a green brown shift. We have a matte shade and then another matte. Pretty. These are gorgeous shades, very wearable, very easy to use. I think this is like the first Violet Voss palette that I've gotten that I've actually been genuinely interested in trying. I think it's just like I said about the other palette, a really fun, different collection and play on like a neutral palette. I think we have 2 more items. One was an add-on. The last item that came in the bag is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. This is a pore perfecting exfoliator. I don't really know how I feel about stuff like this. I tend to have pretty dry, sensitive skin. It does say that it is compatible for all skin types, but I have to be honest with you, I definitely don't see myself using this. I'll probably end up giving this away or just popping it into like a giveaway pile. I know that there are people that absolutely love this product, but like I said, it's just not for me. And then last but not least, this is my add-on. I picked up one of these Miss Glam brushes. I just thought that this was so cute. It says a Round Blush Pro. I love brushes like this. It's got the green glitter. You've got the 2 little rhinestones up here. And I've had a few of the Miss Glam brushes before and I absolutely loved them. And I love emerald green. So I was like, this was only like $3. So I was like, girl, yes, add to bag. It was the perfect add-on. This is like one of the best Ipsy bags I have ever gotten. I'm kind of surprised that I liked it as much as I did because like I said, I remember when I was going through and choosing my items and looking at the sneak peeks, I was just kind of like, oh, really? Like I wasn't super excited, but now like actually trying out the products and swatching them, I'm really happy about it. So Ipsy, you raised the bar here. Boxycharm, you've got some competition. So that just leads us into my Boxycharm base box. Let's dive in. The theme for this month with Boxycharm is Candy Shop. Let's dive in and see. So the first product we have here are some Luxie brushes. This is their Wonderlust set, and this retails for $40. $40. I actually have quite a few Luxie brushes and I really enjoy them. So this is what the brushes look like. So we just have like a nice eye set here. We've got a spoolie. I can never have enough eye brushes because, well, frankly, I'm lazy and I hate cleaning them. Eye brushes are always good. Bristles feel okay. I might have to rough them up a little bit and kind of soften things up, but this one right here, this 237 blending brush, I am the most excited for this because I love small detail brushes because I have hooded eyes and those tend to be what I obviously gravitate towards the most. So these look hooded eye girl friendly. I like the little leather bag. It's got a very strong scent right now, but that's cute. I like that and I'm glad that I got it. Let's see, the next item that I see in the box is this Frank Body Glow Mask. It says this moisturizing face mask is natural and ultra hydrating. So I wasn't sure. I had seen other people get this and I was like, is that for your face or is it for your body? I'm glad that they clarified that there's a card in the box to tell me this is actually for your face, although you could put it in other areas if you really truly wanted to. This retails for $21.95. It says it has shea butter, coffee, and then goji berry as well. I did notice right away though, really? Now I'm bummed. There is coconut oil in this product. I do not like putting coconut oil on my face at all. It is one of my least favorite oils to use on my skin. I suffer from cystic and hormonal acne. It is definitely not my friend. So this is another one that I might have to save and put to the side, give away, or put into a giveaway. So from Dose of Colors, this was my choice item. I remember this. This is their full coverage Meet Your Hue concealer. I got mine in the shade 13 Light Medium. This retails for $24. I love the Meet Your Hue foundation. It is one of my all-time favorite full coverage matte foundations. It just can't be beat. It is so good. So when I saw this was going to be in the box, I was obviously super excited about that. Here is what it looks like. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. They had a lot of shades to choose from, and I thought I picked what would be best, but ooh, this might be too light. It almost looks like it has like a grayish undertone. Yeah, this almost has like a yellowy greenish, and I tried to go for something more neutral. So we'll have to see. I'll have to play with this and see how this works. I've been learning more and more about color correcting and how to really truly diminish the dark circles on your under eyes. Since I have more like purpley dark circles, I'm supposed to use something that's more peach kind of to offset it. If you put a color like this on top, you could end up actually making it look more gray. So we'll have to see how this works. I could also use it to just cover up redness and stuff like that too when I have acne. Moving on to the next item from Ace Beauty, I have a Draw It lip liner. This is a duo. This retails for $16. Let's see what shades we have. Looks like we've got a beautiful neutral shade in Be Peachy and then a more reddish shade in Be Gorgeous. Let's go ahead and give these a swatch. That's got a really long tip on it. That is interesting. Ooh, but that is pretty. I love that. These are eyeliners, try to ignore that. But this is the Be Peachy lip liner. Kind of smells sweet. I don't know if they're actually scented, but I'm picking up a sweetness. But that is a gorgeous color. That would be perfect to make like ombre neutral lip tones. And again, it's a shade that will work for a ton of different skin tones. And then we have this more red shade. Red lip liners are a must if you have red lipstick or you want to rock a red lip. It's going to keep everything in. It's going to keep your red lipstick from feathering. And this is a really nice blue-red rich color. I'm excited to try these out. So far, Boxycharm is doing quite good as well. Really good month for subscription boxes. And last but not least, in this box, we have the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. I have never tried anything from Beauty Bakery, so this is exciting. I've heard a lot of good things, and how cute is this packaging? That is adorable. No mirror on the inside, but no big deal. These shades are super cute. These are just really nice, glam, romantic shades. Another nice, unique setup of eyeshadow shades. I like getting stuff like this because I obviously am a makeup enthusiast, collector. I love doing makeup. I love collecting makeup. And when I have collections of shades that are just a little bit different and inspire me to kind of step outside the box, I'm a huge fan. Let's go ahead and swatch some of these, even though my arms are kind of all swatched up here. So there are some finger swatches for you. Just gonna go right below. Oh, that's really pretty. I love kind of silvery lavender eyeshadows. That one's nice. Ooh, that is really pretty. Right up my alley. This palette is gorgeous. I cannot wait to to play with this more. The names are super cute too. We have Yawning, Forehead Kisses, Pajamas, French Doors, Boo and a View. We've got Messy Hair, Fresh Face, Cuddle Cakes, and Lazy Baby. Ooh, I want to swatch this Lazy Baby shade. Looks like it's a matte shade, but it looks really pretty. I like that. It's like a purpley, cool tone matte shade. Gorgeous. So who is the winner between these? Honestly, you guys, I can't really say. I think both boxes, bag, whatever you want to call it, really did a good job this month. This is the first time in a long time that I'm actually 100% satisfied with both subscriptions. They're pretty even because each one I got a face product that I wasn't super excited about, but then I was excited for the other items. I guess I would have to maybe say that Ipsy has the edge on it just a little bit because I'm super excited about those eyeliners, those two brown ones that I swatched right here. I love the two eyeshadow palettes. The Violet Voss palette is super pretty. I'm really excited about this Lovecraft Beauty palette. That's absolutely stunning. And then these just really stole the show. These Dr. Lip 5 natural ingredients superfood lip tints. So maybe I would say, ooh, just ever so slightly, I might just be like here, just a little bit more impressed with Ipsy, but I can't dog Boxycharm because they did a fantastic job this month. So thumbs up all around. I think I got really good products. I'm really excited to actually play with some of this stuff. I don't feel like I'm just gonna put it in my collection of Ipsy and Boxycharm stuff and then just leave it be and not touch it. These products I can actually see myself reaching for and playing with and trying out. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys got. You know I love to hear from you. I would love to hear if you subscribe to Boxycharm or Ipsy. What are your thoughts? If you enjoyed this unboxing, please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Smash that like button. It helps me so much. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content. And also, if you are enjoying the content, you're already here, why not just hit that subscribe button while you're at it? And then if you really love me and you really want to see my face more, hit the bell button because then you'll actually get notifications when I upload videos just like this one. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.